What is up, guys, and welcome to some more Furious Car Driving 2017. I'm so glad we're back here, guys. So now from last time, so the game got updated, so now we got new cars. Look at this, guys. Got new cars, baby. We don't have new cities and stuff. But hey, we got new cars. I'm gonna put the volume up. There we go. First off, I'm gonna try this. I have to try this out, man. Oh, I can't put it blue. I can't change colors. No. Wait, I can't change colors? What? No. Fine then. We're gonna try this one actually. We're gonna go into city. Because I feel this would be a good one for the... No. Oh shoot, this lag. Oh freak! There's never been this lag. Really? Now do you wasting my time? Drift? Nah, boy, I'm gonna race. Go, go, go. How is it going faster than me? Ow. Look you, nigga. I'm going to the other race. Peace. Woo! Oh, freak. Where are they? Hello. Hey, dude. Hey, dude. Wait. Wait for me, dude. Go, dude, go. I gotta go. Gotta go fast. Come on. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast, guys. Gotta go fast. Oh, shit, I'm messing my stuff up. Gotta catch up to them. I gotta catch up to them. The thing is, I'm not doing it. I'm gonna get a different car. Guess it. Nobody's in this car. Let's go! And let's go highway. Okay, this car should be fast. Yo, no way! This is actually not that fast. Oh, freak you guys! This is fast. It's just because I'm having the boot. Oh, freak! I'm dead. But this is good on sand. I'm stopped. Oh my god! Freaking that. Holy freaking shoot! Okay. So that was that car. It's not that good. It's not that good. Okay. But maybe other cars are better. Let's try, what about this car? I can't freaking put it blue. This car's gonna be terrible. What about this car? I don't know which one to get. God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's try this one. We're just going on a little adventure, guys. Holy shit, this car's actually fast. Oh. Doesn't even have boost, guys. Oh my god. This car doesn't even have boost. Oh. Now it will. Harley! Nice dude, now it does. If you turn right, you should do nothing. Woo! Also, guys, I don't know how to drive. Oh! Freak, slow down. Turn this way. Slow down. So this car's pretty cool. Are you kidding me? Freaking ads, guys. Whoa! Holy shit! This car's actually pretty fast. Let me see the speed on this. 20 or 20. That's pretty slow. I'm gonna go 100. Look, it's just a nice Sunbeamer. Oh! You right there, my boy. Oh, freak you guys. Can't go more than 100 though. Oh, freak you! Stop it! You guys are mean. Freak you! I catch up to them every time I use the boost. But then when I stop, they catch up. Oh no! Come on, dude. I need to change the thing of this one. Right over here. Freak you then. Only 300 is the highest I could go. Which is sad, but okay. I get it. I get it why. It's not that strong car. Holy! Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh! Guys, this game has got so much ads now. Okay, let's leave. I don't know where we're going, but it seems pretty fun. I don't know where I'm going, but it looks pretty fun. I don't know. going. But I look pretty fast. I felt. Oh, I'm the perfect. Not even yet. Slow motion! Slow motion on this thing! Real freaking slow motion! Drifty drift. Awesome! Well guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. If you liked it, like the button below. If you didn't, don't like the button below. But as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!